Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a front porch makeover for the summertime. Over on Instagram I collaborated with Best Choice product and they sent me this beautiful outdoor seating area, and the cool thing is it came fully assembled. All you have to do is attach the legs, so the hubby was happy for that. So here I am with my brother-in-law helping me. I bought this little palm tree, I don't know what they call, at Home Depot, and I don't have a green thumb, wish me luck, but I wanted to have some greenery in here, some real greenery. After that, I decided to give my front door a nice clean because, oh my God, with all the construction, it was so dirty. And I am over here also washing my faucet topiaries. Those are from TJ Maxx, by the way. And I'm just cleaning them up really well. I love them. They're just easy to keep and low maintenance, honestly, guys. So after I was done cleaning and everything is nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and start setting up my new rug. This one I picked it up at Burlington. It's super cute and it was so affordable. It was only $39.99. So here I am with the hubby, just setting up the new porch furniture. I love this little set by Best Choice product because I think it's the perfect size for a small area and they are super, super comfortable. They also come in the white color cushion, which is beautiful, but since it's in the front of the house, I wanted to use black cushions and I think it turned out pretty. This is how everything looks before I decorated it. So I found this wreath here for $29.99 at Home Goods and I thought it was pretty and had like the little lemons and it was just screaming summer. I also got this doormat here. One is from Ross and the other one is from Home Goods. And I'm just gonna start setting up my front door decor here. And here comes Teddy. I think he wants to help. Honestly, I'm a very neutral person, but I am loving the pop of yellow here. I just think it looks so nice and against the greenery, it's just perfect for summertime. I love this little rug here. This one was $16.99 from Home Goods, and I like that it has like the black detail in it. Love it. I love layering my rocks. I'm gonna be using the one on the top that is like an orange, I think, but I thought it was like a lemon or orange. I'm not sure, but it says welcome and I think it's super cute. And I'm just gonna layer it on top here. And that one was from Ross. It was only $7.99. I've heard all the So at Home Goods, I found this pillow that has the lemon detail design and also in the other side says welcome, so you could flip it however you want. I'm going to be using it on the lemon side because it will bring the pop of yellow into this area from the front door. So it's kind of, make a nice contrast to the area. The black and white pillow is from Burlington. I also found these lanterns at TJ Maxx. They were a great price. I think the big one was $29.99 and the little one was about $16.99 if I'm not mistaken. Trust that you have what it takes inside, 'cause you can make it too. If not says you, yeah, you can make it too. If not says you can make it. You had great patience, but something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes. Guys, that was it for today's video. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this transformation. I am personally loving it. I love the pop of color. I think it's perfect for summer. But I also love this little sitting area that we created here because Jaden loves to play on the grass and I could sit here and just watch him play. So it's a perfect little sitting area by the entry door. Thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you all on the next video. I hope this video inspire you to refresh your own front porch or your entryway door. See you all on the next one. God bless.